Hi guys, I'm Tony and you're watching the Capped Malayali. So this is a post unboxing video because the unboxing video got corrupted and I'm not able to edit that. So if you want to see that, I might be uploading in my Instagram, so go follow my Instagram. This is the new Samsung Galaxy A31. This is not new in literal because but I bought it now, so this is new for me. So let's see how it looks and all the details of that. Actually, this is a nice budget phone. If you want something like that with a great display and quad camera, when we on this, so this is the first thing that comes. You have to set your language, like which language do you want. There is a different English, like in United States, UK, etc. So I selected United States English, and this is, you have to accept all their terms and conditions. So just click I agree and click next. Then you have to select the Wi-Fi. Basically you have to connect to Wi-Fi, and then you have to, if you have any previous phones and you want to copy files, then you can use that. In terms of screen, it is 6.4-inch wide screen, and the screen is Infinity UFHD plus S AMOLED display, and it has a 20 megapixel front camera. In terms of back camera, it has 4 cameras, which is 5 megapixel depth camera, 48 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, and 5 megapixel macro camera. In terms of battery, it has 5000 mAh battery with 15 watt fast charging, and in terms of processor, it has octa-core processor with 6 GB RAM and storage of 128 GB, which can be extended up to 512 GB, and it also has a gaming booster. So if you prefer gaming and you want a budget phone, then this is it. And if you look at the price, then it is priced at 17,999 rupees. So this is available in all the online platforms and even in retail also. So in terms of colors, 3 types of color variants are available, like blue, white and black with a metallic finish, and it is very sleek design. And there are pros and cons, man. Like if you are searching for a good, really good camera phone to take photos or videos, and like you are expecting quality of a flagship model, then definitely this is not the item. But if you are looking for a budget phone to play around, or just a normal usage, still you want to take photos, then this is definitely an option for you. And that's it guys. See you guys on the next video. Stay safe, stay home, take care, bye.